this video, I am going to show you how to transfer files from your local Windows machine to Linux machine hosted on Amazon Web Services. For this, you need to use a client called WinSCP. Download it from internet. And download it. Execute, run it. Yep. Next, click on next. I'm going all with the default installations. Click on yes. Click on okay. Click on finish. That's it. Let's go and check. So this is the installation icon on my desktop, and usually you will not see these two. Actually, I imported this while I'm creating. Let's delete these and we'll start to do it everything again. Okay, this is how your WinSCP console looks like when you downloaded it and installed it initially. And now this is the client through which you will transfer files from your local Windows machine to the Linux machine hosted in Amazon Web Services, and vice versa. That means you can transfer the files from the Linux machine to the local Windows machine also. So first of all, here you need to give your Amazon Web Services Linux machine host name. So the host name is, this is my host name, public DNS name. I'm going to keep it here, and port number is 22. Username is EC2-user, and here there is no password for your Linux machine hosted on Amazon Web Services, but Amazon Web Services provide you a private SSH key. Now we are going to use that key. Click on advanced, click on SSH, click on authentication, click on here click on authentication. Now here you need to give your .ppk file which is with the file. So my .ppk file is downtown.ppk file. Click on open and click on OK and save it. It will ask you for a name. Name it as Winter Soldier. Click on OK. Yep, now this is created, and now click on this, click on login. Yep, now you are on a console where your left hand side is your host local Windows machine and your right hand side is Amazon Web Services Linux machine. So now let's try to transfer a file from your local Windows machine to cloud Amazon Cloud Linux machine. Let's create a file here. With the name test.txt, and we will write here hello world hi apple, and let's save it and close it. And now we will transfer this file from our local Windows machine to Amazon hosted Linux machine. Yep. Here choose your. I saved that file on my desktop, so I'm going to desktop, and here is my test.txt file. And now I am going to transfer this file. Simply drag and drop. I am going to drag and drop it on my user console. Click on OK, and the file is transferred. Let's check it. So the file's location is home/EC2 user. Let's test it. This is my. Now we'll test our current directory location. So this is the same directory. Now let's check whether it is there or not. See, the same file is there here also, and let's read that file. See, the same thing, hello world and hi apple. So that's it. You can transfer the files like this, and if you want you can create. Now I'm going to create a file, and I'm going to transfer it from the Amazon Web Services Linux machine to my local Windows machine. Let's look at it. VA rocky.txt. Set hi rocky, how are you? Let's save it. So this file is saved here. You can see it here, rocky.txt. And let's move to our console, and here just refresh it. This is the Linux machine hosted on Amazon Web Services, and this is Windows machine, local Windows machine. So when I refresh it, I got here rocky.txt file. Now I'm going to drag and drop it on my desktop, local Windows machine desktop. So here it is. Let's check our desktop. So here is this file rocky. Let's open it and read. So hi rocky, how are you? So this is what we typed in our Linux machine, and the file is transferred successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching video.